A warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here. We, Kanimuli of 12th Standard
and Saint Ramanuja Reddy of 12th Standard,
take great honor and pleasure in presenting the annual report for the academic years 2017 to 2018 and 2018 to 2019.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today.
The words of Victor Hugo, he who opens a school door closes a prison, have been made true through the vision and inspiration of our founder trustee and Honorable Chairman Thiru K. Kandasamy sir. The chairman has envisioned a long journey ahead of us and has entrusted us with the arduous task of taking the school forward in providing holistic education to the children in the surrounding areas.
As rightly said, the journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. The journey of Sri Saravana Niketan began as a little flower in the year 2003 to 2004. This little flower has blossomed from a mere strength of 70 students in the academic year 2003 to 2004 to whooping strength of 1,664 students as it stands today. It began under the skillful guidance of 6 faculties, and now we have 87 teaching and 80 non-teaching efficient and committed staff to sculpture the students to meet their present day challenges.
This great achievement could not have been possible without the guidance and blessings of our Honorable Chairman sir, and we will continue to strive towards excellence in all our endeavours.
Keeping in mind the school motto of self-reliance, the institution has been aiming in giving holistic education and excellence in all spheres of life.
This report shall give you a glimpse of the past 2 years' achievements and glories of our school. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for the individual thinking and holistic development of child's personality.
As a regular practice followed every year, the session began with orientation program for parents of classes 11th and 12th to make the parents aware of the scheme of education we impart in our school.
A new achievement this year was the introduction of the system of communication, which was launched in June 2018 to bridge the communication gap between parents and the school. The Never Skip School Parent app was introduced to the parents and Never Skip Teacher app for the teachers. This mobile app enables parents to keep a real-time track of the daily progress of their child, like attendance, periodic results, school circulars, news, and daily homeworks given in the classroom. To build a strong house, it's important to make the base strong. Like that, to achieve any goal in life, the concepts and basics have to be strong and clear. So as to enhance our students face any competitive exams, foundation courses for NEET, JEE, Tally and CA are being conducted in our school.
Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Hence, our teachers have been persistently and diligently taking part in various seminars and workshops conducted in the school so as to improve their academic transaction skills and capabilities.
It is noteworthy to mention that our teachers were highly benefited through the workshop conducted by Jolly Phonics Academy. It was a 2-day session conducted by Mrs. Preetha. And with this, we take a short break, providing space for our friends to proceed with the academic achievements.
As the great poet Helen Keller said, alone we can do a little, but together we can do so much. Our school also has been sincerely striving hard together by providing the right environment for the all-round development of the students.
We as a team have achieved a lot in curricular and co-curricular activities with persistence and perseverance.
From the list of our achievements, we wish to begin with the performance on the academic front. Though all our students excel in academic performance, the academic result of 10, 11 and 12 is a hallmark of any good institution.
The Tamil Nadu State Board examination results of 10th, 11th and 12th have always made us proud with high grades and 100% result since our first attempt.
Academic achievements during 2017 to 2018. In class 12, 154 students appeared for the exam. S.H. Nitish Kumar topped the school with a total 1175 out of 1200. R. Gautam, the second topper, secured 1159 out of 1200. And B. Rajadarshini, the third topper, secured 1153 out of 1200. Our students secured 2 centums in marks, 4 centums in accountancy and 1 centum in commerce.
In the first year of board exams for class 11, 139 students appeared and secured 100% results. S. Varshini secured the school first place, scoring 582 out of 600, followed by K.V. Kamalaveni in the second place, scoring 550 out of 600, and A. Niveta in the third place with a total 549 out of 600. Our students secured 5 centum in commerce, 4 centum in accountancy, and 1 centum in business maths.
In class 10th, 131 students appeared. Of this, S. Kumarasan topped the school with a total 497 out of 500. S. Kanimoli and K.S. Mugil followed him as second topper, scoring 490 out of 500. S.T. Saktidharan was the third topper, scoring 489 out of 500. And 12 students secured centum in social science.
Academic achievements during 2018 to 2019. In the academic year 2018 to 2019, 139 students appeared for the class 12th examination, and S. Varshini was the topper, securing 573 out of 600. N. Jeffrey secured 561 out of 600, and R.R. Harini secured the third place with a total 550 out of 600, with 1 centum each in commerce and computer science.
In class 11, 188 students appeared and with 10% result, S. Kumarasan secured 565 out of 600 and topped the school, and S.B. Janani was the second topper, scoring 535 out of 600, followed by Subhashini Langovan at the third place with a total 532 out of 600.
In class 10, 143 students appeared with R. Subiksha at the school first place, scoring 487 out of 500. S. Sivambika with 485 out of 500 secured the second place, followed by P.K. Pranita with a total of 484 out of 500.
Zestful evening, one and all present here. Your presence turns these words into a feelings. We, Ashmita of 10, Soumitra of 10th standard,
Lokashi of 9th standard.
Ishwaran of 10th standard are to proceed with the co-curricular activities.
Co-curricular activities have become a part and parcel of academic life.
Yes, they are used to improve skills and to supplement college applications.
When we participate in multiple different activities, we get an opportunity to explore a wide range and we never knew we had.
So equal importance is offered for co-curricular activities in our school. Spoken English. Speaking English allows you to actually broaden your world. Our school emphasizes on imparting additional training to the students to enable them to be fluent in English through special spoken English classes. Our efficient faculties aid us through special training and help us build confidence to communicate in English fluently.
Hindi, our national language, Hindi is also taught by efficient teachers. Students are trained to participate in various national level Hindi exams like Pariksha and Prathamik.
Olympiad. Every year, a great number of our students from classes 1st to 9th standard participate in science, maths and English Olympiad competitive exams and come out with flying colors. Participating in such competitive exams infuses a competitive spirit through reward-based assessment.
It is worthy to mention here that A. Tamilini of 2nd B was awarded Rs 5,000 cash prize by SOF under the Girl Child Scholarship Scheme 2019 to 2020.
Abacus. Abacus enhances the children's memory and improve their concentration. Our efficient staff aid our students to excel in Abacus.
Every year, some hundreds of students from class 1st to class 8 participate in the national level competition held at Chennai, conducted by Indian Abacus and win laudable laurels.
In the competition conducted in June 2019, nearly 60 students took part and won certificates, medals and trophies. The following students have won the championship trophy at various levels. A. Tamilini of 2nd B incomplete starters. S. Darshan of 5th B movers. S. Lakshana of 5th C starters. S. Mauli of 7th D incomplete starters.
Drawing. Our school artists had participated in various intra and inter-school drawing competitions and have won a lot of certificates and trophies.
Scout and JRC. Our Scouts and JRC students actively participated in various awareness campaigns. This year, 70 Scouts of our school with 2 Scout Gates participated in the Rajya Purashkar Award Camp conducted on 10th August and have been recommended for the Governor Award.
Yoga. Yoga plays a vital role in promoting the physical and mental growth of students. Yoga classes are conducted every Saturday for the students of class 1st to 8 in our school under the able guidance of Mr. Kamalakannan, an efficient yoga master, effectively.
Karate and Silambam. Creating awareness on self-defense among the students is the need of the hour, particularly among girl students. Martial arts like Karate and Silambam are taught to the students of class 1 to class 8 every Saturday by efficient masters Mr. Manimaran and Mr. Deepan Chakravarti.
Picnic and field trip. Picnic. When educating the minds of our youth, we must not forget to educate their hearts. The school arranged a trip to a theme park at Kerala and Mettapalayam on 24th September 2019.
Field trip. Higher secondary art students were taken a trip to Lakshmi Vilas Bank at Nerinjipet on 14th August 2019 to gain hands-on knowledge on the working of a bank as it is a part of their curriculum. Here we take a short break, providing space for our friends to proceed with sports activities and achievements.
Very pleasant evening one and all.
We are Ritika
and Sujipriya of class 8th standard. We are here to proceed with sports activities and achievements.
Sports do not build character, they reveal it.
Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students. Our students of Sri Saravana Niketan not only excel in academic results but also excel in sports and earn name and fame to our school.
They actively participated in various sports events and won a lot of trophies, certificates.
At the zonal level and district level sports meet conducted during the last 2 years, our under 14, under 17, under 19 boys and girls teams bagged the winner trophies in volleyball, handball, basketball and ball badminton.
At the zonal level sports meet, under 17 boys bagged the winner trophies and medals in both singles and doubles in carom match.
We with immense pride announce that our student E.R. Roshni of class 8 has bagged gold medal in national level archery competition.
Congratulating all the participants and winners, we sign off, leaving space for other friends to continue with the cultural activities. Thank you.
Lots of respect and love for the sweet evening.
This is Subiksha
And Purnima.
presenting the cultural activities in our school.
Culture is very important to us because it defines our evolutionary identity.
Culture helps us understand our ancestral values and gives us a very meaning of life.
So, we give equal importance for cultural activities in our school.
Our students of Sri Saravana Niketan actively participate in various cultural activities and exhibit their tenacity and skills. To keep up with our cultural tradition and heritage, our students are taught to excel in various dance forms by our dance master, Mr. Marinadan.
Cultural differences should not separate us from each other, but rather, cultural diversity brings a collective strength that can benefit all of humanity. So, we celebrate all religious festivals in our school without any religious diversity. We celebrate all national festivals to instill and inculcate patriotism among the students.
In addition to the regular celebrations, we celebrate each day for the KG classes and classes from 1 to 5 in different forms like Balls Day, Balloons Day, Toys Day, Fruits Day, and Colors Day at regular intervals.
Fruits Day is celebrated every year to insist on the benefits of healthy fruits among the children. The Children's Day celebration took a turn during the years 2018 and 2019.
On 14th November 2018, our children of all classes collected and contributed a sum that would meet the basic needs of the children in an orphanage, and the day was spent with them with a lot of fun games and culture. And the lead was taken by our higher secondary students.
It is said that when you give, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. Here, we didn't make a note of that as a publicity, but to show how the students are taught the art of sharing.
Every year, the Teachers' Day is celebrated in a grand manner by our students expressing their gratitude, affection and respect for their teachers.
So, this year the Children's Day was celebrated in a unique way by the teachers. The SSN Carnival was organized with a lot of fun games on one side and the teachers preparing and serving desserts and savory snacks on their own on the other side. The entire school was lit up in a festive mood and we enjoyed thoroughly.
To promote the competitive spirit and to bring out the talents and creativity of the students, they have been encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. Competitions like unique talent, drawing, essay writing, recitation, elocution, fancy dress were conducted during the course of year. Our students have participated in inter-school competitions and zonal level competitions and had come out with laudable laurels.
It's a matter of great pride to announce that our students participated and won prizes in the quiz competition and essay competition conducted on 6th October 2019 by Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota to observe World Space Week.
K. Sujipriya of 8th C and C. Ramya of 9th A participated in the quiz competition and secured the second place and third place respectively. M. Vitika of 8th D and J. Tangam of 9th A participated in essay competition and won the third place. These students were awarded by the Honorable Educational Minister Thiru K.A. Sengottayan.
We once again extend a hearty congratulations to all the achievers.
We hope that this report has been a sincere attempt in showcasing our progress in terms of activities and achievements during the years.
But I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. We always keep these golden words of Robert Frost in our mind. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. We at Sri Saravana Niketan will continue our unceasing effort to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence.
All the good work of the school has been possible with cooperation of our highly qualified and dedicated faculties. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to our supportive management whose continuous support and able guidance has enabled the school to come this far.
We would like to conclude by extending our sincere gratitude to all parents and each one of you, our well-wishers, for your kind support.
Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.